I gave him a friend.
Dep. Ako nga din mag-record.
Okay.
I am the first man to...
Wait,
We will go to memory lane of
sabihin mo,
creating Nook.
you can see Stephen's POV at his account named Stephen's Vlogging Channel.
No, I'm not supporting you. You work for my channel.
And then I quit your channel.
No. I support. Hati tayo sa pera.
Anong working?
Hati tayo, tepabe. Hati tayo sa pera ng
working?
YouTube channel
Anong
ko.
working? Anong working?
Anong working ba?
Sabi mo, nagwo-work ako sa channel mo.
Hindi.
Gaabo ka ba?
No. Nook.
Ako din. I'm just gonna drive around the moon.
Tepen. Paano ka nakapunta sa moon? Ako nagluloko-loko lang ako dito. Naggagawa ako ng nukes.
Okay. Next, we will go to Mars.
Gawa nga ako ng kuhan ko. I'm invincible. Hello guys, my name is Bitban and my friend is Stephen. Please subscribe.
And go to my channel. My channel's name is Stephen Tangkos Vlog. I have my own POV there.
Wank. Tanta. I wanna go to the moon.
I'm gonna go. We're going to try and get my rover back.
Ano nangyari sa rover mo, Tep?
Wala lang. Gusto ko lang kuhanin ulit. We're gonna go and try to get my rover back. Because I want my rover back.
No, you cannot have your rover back.
Nor, we want my rover back.
Ay, pangalanin mo kaya yung kuan mo? Yung account name sa Stephen and Rich Ban. Para
lagay mo.
Para more income pa din tayo.
Okay.
Business idea.
So what?
Pero ilagay mo name, but Stephen's POV.
Sa description na lang yun.
Hige.
I hope it goes back when I do this.
Mabilis na seleksyon sa iba eh. Isinama siya dun sa malalaki. Sa Paguligi.
This is the Keisho ship.
And this is the... ayoko sabihin mo muna pala ako.
Bakit? Ano ba pangalan?
Wait lang, cut ko lang saglit. Nagigil sana ang inang
Oh no. Ay! Uy! Uy, that very bad. Very, very bad.
Yes,
Oink.
I know, that's why I don't say that. Ay, wait.
How you
I
get to
forgot my
moon?
parachute.
You're cheating, I know.
Me forgot me. You know,
Wala siya. Guys, your shape is lagging. Blap.
no.
What if I try a normal and boring shape? Yoing.
Yes. I will. Oh,
Oh no. The fire touching.
no.
That very bad.
That fail. Oh no, I said it. I don't have money to buy that.
What? You get the yellow mark. I get the green marquee. Ha ha ha. FBI, open up. This is the demonetization.
And how can I go back to Earth again?
Oh no. That very bad.
That's a big problem.
Oh no, it explode. I think I need to fix the Keisho ship.
I need to fix my skinny ship. My half-fat skinny ship.
I try use my NASA next.
I'm gonna try to use my smart next. You are noob.
Mama.
You are noob. You know that. You're noob. Noob.
No, I'm not noob. I'm not noob when you put
It's
it.
working.
What is working?
It's cheap. Because sponsors.
I'm not the type to make rockets that will go to moon. I'm the type who makes the nukes. American nukes. I made the Russian nuke.
It's favorite. Oh, now try to fix point it a straight line. It's kind of getting like a tutorial.
Oh no. That's not good, I think.
Straight line like that. And when you are near to the dot or your dot, just turn on your engine and go fly again. You must reach Earth's low orbit constantly.
Big fluffy big fluffy unicorn dancing on rainbows. Keisho ship has become Keisho's child. Dahil paano ako nakapunta sa moon? Tell me your secrets. Tep.
something went wrong.
Pakita nga yung shape na ginamit mo. Pwede. Except unicorns, rainbows. Oh, I think that's not very good. Time to let excess weight go. Where am I?
That's really bad.
Tulungan mo ko pumunta sa moon. Tet,
Again, do it again. Tama. When you're near to your transfer point, transfer window, turn on your engine and go fast and furious. Turn on. Uh-oh. Steven. Rivet, of course. Is it good enough? And this one. This two is Kalma. Let's go. You've entered the like that. Oh my god, bad perhaps. We're getting stuck inside the moon, and I don't like that what I just said. It sounds so weird.
oh no.
Did you papasok pa bukas?
Ha?
Papasok pa bukas?
Ano ba gagawin natin bukas? May pasok.
Ako maglalaro na.
Papasok ka ba?
Oo, ako maglalaro nga lang ako. Kaya nga ako papasok. Maglalaro na ako eh.
Ano?
Maglalaro lang ako.
Hindi ka ba papasok?
Maglalaro naman ako.
Hindi ka ba papasok?
Pasok. Kaya nga ako.
Eh di papasok ka.
Ikaw ba?
Hindi. Wala din naman tayong gagawin dun eh.
Makikipaglayo lang ako kayo. we will discuss about life.
Ano? Medyo atayon imo ya.
Man, dito.
Nakatutubos
That's what I mean.
Ha? Oo. Album mo tapos.
Oh, because you are jumping on rainbows.
Sweet.
Oh. Fluffy unicorn.
Rhea.
Where's
Speed.
other? Where's my other ship? It just is in.
Tay, pwede mo ako turuan.
Okay.
Paano ka ba
Okay,
nakapunta?
guys, I'm gonna scrap the moon mission.
Paano ka nakapunta sa moon? Hindi daw.
Here, let me just make a tutorial for my
Hindi daw.
friend to go to the moon.
Ivory noob.
Yes, very good.
Pink fluffy unicorn. Dancing on rainbows.
Let me just load my Atlas. What is this?
Pink fluffy
Oh,
unicorn.
what? This can the moon? No, it's better. I can show you there's an even better one. Let me just remove this. That was on purpose. I accidentally put that on.
Big fluffy unicorns. Sing on
Oh my god, I
rainbows.
forgot to. Wait, let me just redo that again. Big fluffy unicorns
Unicorns jumping on rainbows. Big not fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
Big oiled up unicorns. Big juicy oiled up naked unicorns jumping on rainbows. Big melons.
We don't want to get demonetized, okay? So shut
Big unicorns jumping on reindeers.
good.
Big tape unicorn jumping on the reindeer and big tape unicorn jumping on rain or a
How to break a ship. Do that. It's very easy.
Just that and enable it.
Ha?
Try!
Ano ba to?
Okay, here. Rich, gagawin pala ito sa tayo na to. If you want to go to the moon and land in the moon, just copy my blueprint like that. Okay, wait until you reach 4,000 meters height. 4,000 meters. And
How to create a
lower
nuke.
speed once you reach. And then turn your angle to 39.5. You can see the angle on the top right, the top left, I mean.
How to make a nuke. First, make the ammo. Personally, I like the bullet shape. So I will be doing this. This will be your
And
ammo.
once your dot reaches above the Karman line,
If you
and
want to make
it's
a
32 exactly.
RPG, this could be
32.
also your
Oh my
ammo.
goodness. If you went overboard, it's okay. Now, turn your
Now.
rocket to a straight line. Oh no, I accidentally went
Put the
down.
shooting thingy my bob.
Straight line. Oh no.
Use the structural. Use the flat
Okay.
space.
Turn your rocket on a straight line like that. And then,
And you wanna place more of this, but in a different formation.
oh wait. I went at the charge. put it on a straight line like that and ano ba ginagawa? Release and release your boosters too.
Now,
Like big fluffy. Even wait. Like because if you I accidentally made the wrong or I accidentally didn't load my original Atlas 1.
now you would be left by this cool looking shape.
I accidentally hit of course. Now I'm rejecting all my
Then-
life choices.
Put your desired
You should
Side.
30 seconds.
then put the landing gears.
Put it on a straight upward like line. Once you do it, is it? Slow in. And quick release that one.
Now
Sorry,
you have
I
done
stopped
that.
it. I gotta use my extra. Done! We gotta go revert 30 seconds again.
Yeah.
Google and make it rise.
If you want to move around, then before that,
Then, just keep going in the
Now
next
you
one.
can put-
There,
put the
Release that
releasing
one.
gears.
put that one there. Release it. Release
And
the pitch.
if you like to go crazy,
Oh no, I accidentally
you
released the
can
wrong
do it. I have
We
absolutely
can still reach the moon with this.
muy indiago yendo bota muñeca no tira. Then
Then
one
rise
of
up,
these.
quickly rise up.
and put it.
Here.
Now,
Oh no, I think
what
we're
you've
falling.
been waiting for.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, right.
Let's
Before
get this
that,
information.
you need to
I'm gonna go
make
like
this a little bit lower, so it will get released when you don't need it anymore.
Bye.
To release weight from you and stress from your rocket, from your nuke.
Sorry guys, I gotta wrap this up. I'm really sorry. I failed you guys.
Yeah.
Bitch.
What? I'm showing them how to make a nuke. Let your creativeness flow like crazy. Never let anyone fool you.
Sa gallery ba yung makikita? Sa gallery?
Yung ano?
Yung video? Di ba nakagawa na akong video eh? Paano yung makuha ulit?
Pumunta ka sa plus button.
Saan yun?
Meron ka makikita dyan sa cellphone mo. Pangalanan mo Tepcon Stephen Enrich Ban.
Yeah.
Double income. Hati pa din tayo sa income na yan.
Reach no data found daw.
Ewan ko na. Then, put your desired look. If you like, you can decorate it.
And po process na vid ko. It's
But
processing.
personally, I don't like I don't want to because I'm too lazy for this game. Haha, ha, 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 ha. Let's test it. I do not care about those. I care about my new.
Glitch!
Yes.
Anong screen recorder ba gamit mo?
Cellphone ko lang. Now, turn that on. Nuke incoming! Annoying. Kaboom! Now you've got yourself a nuke.